If your checking account is with Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America, you're probably getting ripped off. Big banks like to hit you with overdraft fees, balance fees, and then give you almost nothing in return. But today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best checking accounts that have real perks, like cashback, free overdraft coverage, ATM refunds, and even some hidden gems you probably didn't know about. Now, don't get me wrong, big banks are great sometimes, but they love to stack on fees. The average overdraft charge is $35, and I don't know about you guys, but when it hits me, it feels like I'm being punished for just being broke. That's when I started looking into checking accounts that actually saved me money, gave me easy access to cash, and even paid me back. SoFi Checking and Savings. This is my top pick if you want one app to handle everything. There are no account fees, and if you set up at least $1,000 in direct deposits in a month, SoFi gives you overdraft coverage up to $50 with no fees on debit card purchases. Any overdraft amount has to be repaid within 30 days, and if you don't qualify, they'll just decline the transaction instead of charging you a penalty. You also get your paycheck up to 2 days early because SoFi posts the funds as soon as your employer sends them. It's not guaranteed every time, but it often shows up earlier than at a traditional bank. For interest, SoFi Checking pays a flat 0.5% APY regardless of direct deposit. The big difference is on the savings. The standard rate is 3.8% APY, and if you join SoFi Plus within 60 days by setting up an eligible direct deposit or paying the $10 a month membership, you'll get an extra 0.7% APY boost for 6 months, bringing your savings up to 4.5% APY as of now. They also offer a tiered sign-up bonus. For example, $50 if you direct deposit $1,000 to $4,999 and $300 if you direct deposit $5,000 or more within the first 25 days of opening your account using the link in my description. SoFi also protects deposits up to $2 million with government insurance, giving peace of mind if you keep larger balances. Hidden gem perks: free access to financial planners and career coaching, plus vaults in the app that let you split your money into sub-accounts for different goals like rent, bills, or vacations. Next up, we have Chime, one of the most popular mobile-first accounts for younger people, and for good reason. Chime has no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and a clean, easy-to-use app. Their biggest feature is Spot Me, which lets you overdraft up to $200 with no fees if you have at least $200 in monthly direct deposits. Chime simply covers small overdrafts on debit card purchases or ATM withdrawals, and you just repay it when your next deposit hits. If you don't qualify, Chime declines the transaction instead of charging you a fee, so that's convenient. You can also get your paycheck up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Here's how it works. When your boss sends your paycheck to the bank, Chime gives you that money right away instead of waiting until payday. There's no minimum deposit you need to qualify. The only catch is that it depends on when your employer sends the paycheck file, so sometimes it's a full 2 days early and other times it's just a little early. Either way, it usually beats waiting like a traditional bank. And you'll also have access to free ATMs. Hidden gem perks: you can also deposit cash for free at Walgreens or other retail partners, which most online banks don't allow. Another hidden gem is their credit builder secured card for those of you looking to get a beginner credit card. Just to be clear, this card does not give regular cashback rewards. It's focused only on helping you build credit safely. Think of it like training wheels for building credit, where you add money to the card first and then spend it like normal. Chime reports your on-time payments to the credit bureaus so you can build your credit score safely without the risk of going into debt or paying high interest. Next up, we have the Discover Cashback Debit, which is a checking account that actually pays you. Every time you swipe your debit card, Discover gives you back 1% on what you spend, up to $3,000 each month. That's up to $30 a month or $360 a year just for using your debit card on groceries, gas, or everyday spending. Think of it like getting a tiny discount on everything you buy At the end of the month, that money is added back into your account, so your checking account is rewarding you instead of just holding your money. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and you get access to over 60,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. Discover is also a well-known brand that's been around for decades. On top of their checking, they offer credit cards that are simple to understand and beginner-friendly. A great example is the Discover It Secured Credit Card, which is similar to the Chime Secured Card. Instead of giving you a big line of credit right away, Discover has you put down a deposit first, and that deposit becomes your spending limit. You then use the card normally, and each month, Discover reports your payments to the credit bureaus, which grows your credit history safely. The best part is, it also earns 1 to 2% cash back, so you're getting rewards while learning how to manage credit. This makes it natural as a next step if you start with their debit card and later want to try credit. Hidden gem perks: Discover has 24/7 US-based customer service, so you can always reach a real person, which is nice to know. They also don't charge you fees for things like ordering checks or replacing your debit card, which are little details that can save you extra money compared to traditional banks. Next up on the list, we have Connexus Credit Union Xtraordinary Checking. If you actually want to earn strong interest on your checking balance, you could earn 5% APY on balances up to $25,000 if you meet their monthly requirements. Here's what you need to do each month. Make at least 15 debit card purchases or spend $500 on your debit card. Sign up for e-statements instead of paper statements. Make one monthly deposit of at least $500 through direct deposit or an ACH transfer. If you meet these requirements, your account will earn some of the highest checking interest rates available. On $25,000, that could be up to $1,250 a year in interest. If you don't meet the requirements, the APY drops to around 0.25%, so the difference is huge. Connexus also reimburses up to $15 a month in out-of-network ATM fees, and you get unlimited free access to Connexus, Co-op, and MoneyPass ATMs nationwide. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and you get a free Visa contactless debit card you can use with mobile wallets. They also give you free overdraft transfers when you link accounts, free statements, and a full digital banking experience with online and mobile tools. There's even a bonus of up to $300 available for new members who qualify. Because Connexus is a credit union, it's a little different than a regular bank. To open an account, you might need to join through a partner group, like a local organization or association. Don't worry, it's usually very easy and only costs a few dollars. Think of it like joining a club so you can get access to the benefits. Once you're in, you can use the account just like any other bank account. Hidden gem perks: they offer a roundup savings feature that moves spare change from purchases into a savings account automatically, helping you save without really thinking about it. And last, we have the Charles Schwab Bank Investor Checking Account. For travelers, nothing beats this account. Schwab refunds all ATM fees worldwide, which means they pay you back for the fee charged by the machine no matter where you are. It also charges no foreign transaction fees, so you don't lose money when you swipe your debit card abroad. There are no monthly service fees or overdraft fees, and while the interest rate is very small, about 0.05% APY, the big win here is freedom when traveling. The account is always linked to a Schwab One brokerage account, but you don't have to invest with it unless you want to. Think of it like having a checking account and an investing account under one login, which makes it easy to move money back and forth. You also get strong protections with Visa's zero liability guarantee. So if your card is stolen or used without permission, you aren't held responsible. Your deposits in the checking side are FDIC insured up to $250,000 for extra safety. In short, this account is perfect if you travel a lot, want ATM fee freedom anywhere in the world, and like the option to invest instantly. Hidden gem perks: Schwab's 24/7 customer support is highly rated and especially helpful for travelers who might run into problems overseas. Let's do a quick recap of the highlights so you can decide which one fits you best. SoFi, no fees, early paycheck access, overdraft protection, plus high savings rates if you qualify. Chime, easy app, fee-free overdrafts with SpotMe, and cash deposits at retailers like Walgreens. Discover 1% cash back on debit card purchases and 24/7 live support. Connexus Credit Union, up to 5% APY if you meet simple requirements, plus shared branching and roundup savings. Charles Schwab, unlimited global ATM refunds, no foreign fees, and instant transfers to investments. Each one has perks that go beyond just avoiding fees, from rewards to better interest to travel freedom. I'll leave the links to the updated checking account offers down below so you can get some money when you set these up. If this helped you, scroll down, tap that little like button, and subscribe for more money content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.